If you're searching for Cook Practical Exam Prep, you're already on the right track. The practical exam is one of the most important steps toward becoming a certified journeyman cook. And if you're feeling nervous about being evaluated in real time, that's completely normal. Here's the thing. The Cook Practical Exam is not about being fancy or perfect. It's about showing that you can work safely, cleanly, and professionally under pressure. Examiners want to see solid fundamentals, not show-off techniques. Let's talk about what the practical exam usually involves. You're typically asked to prepare specific dishes or components within a set time limit. Your work is judged on organization, sanitation, cooking methods, timing, and final results. How you work is just as important as what you produce. The first step in effective Cook Practical Exam Prep is understanding expectations. Review the task list and required dishes carefully before exam day. Know exactly what you're responsible for producing. Uncertainty wastes time and increases stress. Organization is one of the biggest scoring factors. Set up your station cleanly and logically from the start. Keep tools, ingredients, and equipment in their proper place. A messy station often signals a lack of control. Time management is critical during the exam. Practice working within realistic time limits before exam day. Break each task into small steps and follow that sequence. Sanitation is non-negotiable. Treat every step like a health inspection is happening in real time. Cooking techniques matter more than complexity. Use proper methods for the dish you're preparing. Examiners value consistency and control. Knife skills are another common evaluation area. You don't need speed, you need accuracy and safety. Plating and presentation also play a role. Simple, clean presentation always scores better than overcomplicating. Communication and professionalism matter throughout the exam. Your attitude is part of the evaluation. One of the best Cook Practical Exam Prep strategies is practicing under pressure. Simulate exam conditions with a timer running. This builds confidence and muscle memory. Mindset is just as important as skill. Examiners want problem solving, not perfection. If you want structured support, study tools can help. At journeymanstudyguide.com, Q&A books and time tests support focused prep. Passing the Cook Practical Exam opens real opportunities. Cook Practical Exam Prep is about preparation, confidence, and consistency. Practice smart, stay organized, and trust your skills.